Surround yourself with nature in this brand new bungalow house in the hills of Talisay City, Cebu. This is very ideal if you're planning to retire here in the Queen City of the South.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be.
My name is Christine and I am your trusted Cebuana licensed real estate broker. And welcome back to Cebu Elegant Properties YouTube channel. But before we start, please do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button so that you'll be notified whenever we upload new videos. So right from the main entrance, here we have two gates. As you can see, that gate is intended for the carport and this one is for us. And here, if you're a plantita or plantita, this will be the perfect spot for you to put your plants. So this property has a land area of 150 square meters and a floor area of 127 square meters. So for you guys who are planning to retire here in the Queen City of the South, we actually have two more properties which would be of the same style and floor area and lot area in the same subdivision. So this can be yours for only 6,200,000 pesos only. And the payment term for this one is 20% spat cash or 20% staggered into 6 months, which will be about 100,000 pesos. Later, we will put the details, all the details of the payment terms in the description box below this video. Anyway, this area is intended if you're gonna put some plants here in your beautiful house. Well, on my right, we have here the carport, which can only fit one carport. So this area here leads to the service area, which can be connected at the back portion of this house. Now join me as I'm going to show you the other parts of this bungalow house. Welcome to your beautiful home. So from the main entrance, we have here the living area, and since we have a open space concept, it goes directly to the dining area in the side and the kitchen on this side. And then we got in here 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. Now let's check first the master bedroom. Okay. The master bedroom can actually accommodate a king-size bed, and we already have the provision for the air conditioner here. We have here 2 wide windows, which will allow the natural air coming to come inside the house. So this is the en-suite toilet and bathroom for this master bedroom. Now join me as I'm going to show you the other 2 more bedrooms. So this one is bedroom number 1. It can only fit a double-sized bed. And the same with the other bedroom, bedroom number 2 can also fit a double-sized bed. And then this is their shared toilet and bathroom. Before we head outside, I'm going to show you the kitchen. It's just a small kitchen and it's just up to you if you want to improvise the kitchen. So the kitchen is made of a granite countertop and ideal for the dirty kitchen because Filipinos love to do the prito-prito outside the house. So this is ideal for your dirty kitchen, while the other side is for the laundry area. So let's check which which area is this one facing. So for those of you who are particular with what orientation this house is facing at, so the main door is facing southeast, while the back portion of the house is facing northwest. So to recap everything, this house has a land area of 150 square meters and a floor area of 127 square meters. And as I've said, there are two more properties which will be constructed in the same neighborhood. This is located in a gated subdivision with a 24-hour security in the hills of Talisay City, Cebu. So for those of you who are planning to get a pre-selling house just like this, it can be yours for 6,200,000 pesos only, and your monthly payment for the pre-selling houses will be 36,611 pesos only. That's for 36 months. While for those of you who are planning to get this ready for occupancy house, your monthly payment for this one for 6 months is about 100,833 pesos. While the remaining balance can be payable through bank loan. Or if you want spot cash, then just talk to us through cebuelegantproperties@gmail.com, or you may WhatsApp us or Viber us at 0917-7999429. We also have our Facebook page, Cebu Elegant Properties. So you can also contact us directly or DM us anytime of the day. We will be launching soon our website, cebuelegantproperties.com. Once again, I'm Christine, your trusted Cebuana licensed real estate broker. With Cebu Elegant Properties, we turn your realty dreams into a reality.